Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the layout feature for the InkRIP software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Now if we head to InkRIP here, like I mentioned in the intro, we're going to be looking at the layout feature. Now what this comes down to is if we need to manipulate any form of graphics, like maybe an image or something like that, we change the size, layout, flip it, mirror it, those type of things, then we're going to be using the layout feature. Now in order to use the layout feature, ideally we first need to be able to locate it. So on our top main bar here, you'll see there's a little icon called layout. And then if we hover, you can see it says Alt plus L for the shortcut. Now you might get into your program and it's not there, then it can get, or should I say, then it can get a bit complicated or tricky to actually edit things. So then you just want to make sure you go there, click that, and then this will open up your layout feature. Now, as you can see here, there's a variety of different things that we can adjust, but we'll take one at a time. But yeah, otherwise, in the meanwhile, if we head to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go, request a training video, fill in the me form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.